Guys, Dr.Doge here, and today we're back with another video where today we're doing cooking class with Dr.Doge. So, as you can see, our beautiful ingredients right here. So, I'm gonna tell you ingredients one by one. But wait, before I tell you guys the ingredients, I need to tell you guys what we're actually making this fine evening. So, today, we're making a, sort of bland, not really bland, but strawberry banana smoothie with a side of air with it. So, now it's time for the ingredients. So, ingredient one, strawberries. Let me count them. 1, 3, 2, 7, 5, 109, 9. So there's 9 strawberries. We need uno banana or 1 banana. Oh my gosh, I gotta even clap for this one because it's organic, reduced fat milk. Oh man, I can chug this all day. By the way, guys and girls, I'm gonna tell you guys that the intro that I used for this video and my cooking class Dr.Doge chocolate chip video, that's gonna be the intro of every single cooking class video with Dr.Doge. So, gosh, I really need a break. Hold on, I'm gonna just do a dance break real quick. Orange justice. So, the first ingredient, well, that we're gonna put into the solution / mixture thingy blobber is 1/2 cup of organic reduced fat milk. So yeah, we're just gonna pour this in real quick. Oh no, it's spilling. Oh no. That seems about right. Hold up. Okay, guys, so my mom told me that was not half, which this is actually a half. But I thought a half meant a half times a half, or a half times 2. But I was being a little bit dumb there. So I'm just gonna pour this in. Ingredient. So the recipe online in my head said that it needed ice, but I'm an idiot and I forgot the ice and I didn't put it in or get it all or read it right. So I'm just gonna put this in. I'm making a video, Mom! Let's just put this in. So, we need to put some brown cow yogurt into the mixture solution smoothie thingamablobbers. So, just put this in. Oh, no, it's not. It's not coming out, so I need to take the lid off first. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we're just gonna put this in. It's liquidy. Mom, I need help. Why won't this come out, Mom? You helped me and it didn't work. I need a spoon. Hold up. So we got a spoon. This spoon is very small. I'm sorry for the size. I don't think you can even see it, but there's a spoon right here. It's pretty small, so we're just gonna scoop this out. Trying to get the extra. We're good. Now, guys, so the next ingredient we have to do is, I sound like a werewolf. So the next ingredient we have to do is strawberries. But hey, you better not put these in with the top on because they have to chop them off. So yeah, let's chop them off. Whoa, we got them off. We got these lids off. I mean the tops off. So I'm just gonna put one in. Put another one in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So guys, next ingredient we have to do, put in this banana, or you can call it a banana, or chanana, or nana, or katana, or Fortnite. So we're gonna open this. Guys, we switched the banana out because you obviously need a ripe banana for it. So we're just gonna open this. That's probably because I couldn't open it because it was not ripe. So try to open this. Oh, that was actually pretty easy. Now I can't get it back. I got it. No, but hey, remember, take the sticker off. I ripped it. No, the sticker's not coming. It's stuck to my hands. So once we got a banana, all you have to do is yeet, and then 1, 2. Now put the top on. So guys, I got the sledgehammer because obviously I can't get it in. Weird thing is I can hold a sledgehammer but not peel a banana. Anyway, I'm just gonna put this in. Is that glass? I don't want to break that. It's all good now. Now we gotta blend it. This turns it off in pulse mode and crush mode. Ice, I have no idea what they do. But we're gonna do liquefy. It's so scary. But you could probably hear how loud that is, but that's not gonna, I'm not gonna accept that. This thing, you think you can be louder than me? Huh? You wanna have a loud war? Huh, let's go, bro. Looks like it's good now, huh? You lost. Write in the comments who won. Shoot. Oh, hello, Mr. Brownie. They were behind there the whole time? Sorry, I'll be back. I didn't eat those as you can see. But you can see I'm gonna get pretty fat. Oh yeah, by the way, forgot to tell you guys, this is a basketball. This is a soccer ball. This is a baseball, and this is football, all into one ball. So it's a super bouncy ball. Yeah, that's a super bouncy ball. So, do this one more time. So now we're gonna smell it. Oh my God, girls, that smelled so delightful. Like, I could just go get a glass right now. Now let's pour it. Ah! Oh gosh, I was daydreaming. Okay, taste test time. That still smells very good. So, taste test, girls. Oh man, that's so good! Yeah, that's so good! Oh my gosh! So guys, write in the comments if you like this video. Probably did. And I'm very sorry that this was a short video compared to my other one. But, hold up. So, yeah! Write in the comments I should do next? Should I do brownies, which are pretty easy, but I'll do those anyway. And yeah, I can do some real food. Because I'm a big boy, so thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, the like button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye! So guys, I got my brand new iPhone X here. Look guys, this thing's pretty durable. I guess you do this. Brother's gonna kill me. Gosh. Actually, this thing's okay. Let's see how durable this thing really is.